and adding greens to your garden. This is a bird nest plant, and also this is one of the beautiful and a greeny evergreen look giving plant. Very low maintenance, permanent, and also you can grow them simply in a corner in your home garden. Welcome friends, welcome to Tamara's garden, and I'm Tamara. Let's add some colorful leafy plants in your garden to give it a decorative look, and let's see what are the famous trending house plants too along with that. Beautiful leaves, trending plants, eye-catching colors, and also very famous trending colorful house plants which you can grow very easily in small planters, bigger planters, and also DIY planters. Trying to give a decorative look to your garden, try putting all the decorative colors. Add many colors, green and white, green and yellow, many flowering plants. Turn a colorful plants that you can add to your garden to make it beautiful and attractive and also elegant looking. Let's see a number of plants that you can simply add to your home garden and make it so beautiful. When you go to a nursery, try buying some of the beautiful colorful leafy plants too. Plants like beautiful gold dust plant which you can add to make your garden look beautiful. This is ideal in a shady corner, or else if you have put it in your home garden as a house plant, as an indoor plant, this will grow really very beautifully. If you put it in outdoor garden, make sure to give it some shade under a big tree or in a corner in your garden, not in the bright direct sunlight. It's a shade loving plant and a beautiful decorative plant. Beautiful variegated leafy plant, the umbrella plant, is one of the beautiful plants which you can easily add to your garden to make it so colorful. So this is another house plant, indoor plant, which you can keep in the shade if you have kept it outdoors as an outdoor plant. Christina plant, another plant which you can add in your home garden as a house plant. This is a beautiful leafy plant. There are two colors in the plant, and the top plant leaves are turning red, and there are two colors looking. So this two-tone plant is wonderful and decorative plant for your home garden. Add this one plant, very easy to maintain and easy to grow. So these beautiful plants are decorative either in your outdoor garden or in your indoor garden. Aglaonema plants, when you keep it indoors, if you keep it as a house plant, this also gives a very beautiful decorative look. If you keep it outdoors as an outdoor plant, that will make your garden look so decorative and beautiful. This is another beautiful leafy plant for your garden which will give definitely a beautiful look. Add a couple of pandanus plants in your garden. Put them in ample pots and see the beauty. They are so decorative. These variegated leaves are so beautiful and colorful. Adding a couple of araliya plants also are very decorative and beautiful. These are beautiful house plants. These prefers the shade loving plants. Add them in your garden. Dracaena too is a beautiful plant. Add some varieties of Dracaena. Very easy to maintain, very easy to grow. Their leaves are very colorful and attractive. It's also another variety of Dracaena. When you add beautiful colors to your garden, it looks a very decorative look and also very colorful and elegant. Add some pothos plants near a parapet wall and see the beauty. Now this parapet wall is covered with this beautiful plant, and also there's a syngonium also. So these are beautiful decorative plants for your garden. Some varieties of croton plants also are colorful. They are in many varieties. You can add them in your garden to make it look so beautiful. We're talking about adding beautiful leafy plants in your garden. I love keeping these bamboo plants. Adding them in your outdoor garden also is very colorful and attractive looking. So you also can add them as indoor plants or as an outdoor plant. Make sure to put a bunch of them, couple of stems together so that they grow together. So you can see when you put a number of stems of this beautiful lucky bamboo plant, it gives an attractive look. Either you keep it indoors or outdoors. So this is a wonderful plant for to make your garden beautiful. Adding varieties of syngonium plants are also very useful because they also look so attractive. This is pink syngonium, and here I have the dwarf syngonium. They are very attractive and colorful plants. You can easily maintain them too. So have them in your garden to decor your garden, either it's indoors or outdoors. Snow white plant is another suggestion for your house plants collection as a decorative plant, and also you can add some pothos plants varieties. They also add colors and also very decorative look. Ringju, low maintenance and permanent. And here I have another pothos variety, neon pothos, beautiful and colorful looking. Having a couple of pandanus varieties in your garden is very elegant. Have them in a corner in your garden because they beautify and also gives an attractive look because they are so green and beautiful. Having some of the anthurium plants in your garden also gives a green look. Not only that, it adds beauty by its flowers. So having anthurium also in your garden looking so decorative and beautiful.